Good morning. What a great morning we have. We had rain and everything tonight, and this is day 68, 69 it is. And a lot of rain this night, but we're up and going, and I was packing up the tent.
I have slept in my new skirt. So skirt and jacket and Catherine's hat. Thank you, Catherine. It really works out fine. I have it like this.
Yeah, because it was cold.
Yeah, it was cold and rain. It's so heavy rain.
Yeah, and thunderstorm as well.
Yeah,
we heard a few,
lightning.
Yeah, a few bangs. And here I'm cooking up the oatmeal. So now with not Thru-hiking, we try this one. So thank you for that, Catherine. Again. And we do oatmeal, and I am going to try to find the coffee mugs as well, because I need my morning coffee. But decent weather outside. I'm cold, but not that cold. I'm not freezing. And in the tent it was perfect conditions. Not perfect conditions, perfect heat in the tent, because I didn't freeze there. But the condition and the wetness from the rain was, so the roof and everything is wet, and the sleeping bag is a little bit wet, both me and Anna's. So, but it is what it is. Now it's perfect. And the view, of course, the view. And I was up taking a pee in the middle of the night when it was not raining, and we have stars and the moon. Everything looks so perfect. So that made me happy. So hopefully this will work with a big pan, if you're lucky. And like I said, oatmeal, but no blueberry soup. I forgot to buy the blueberry soup, so now I don't know what to put on the. Oh, look at this.
No, I have a problem with my heel. I have a blister, a deep blister on my left heel since the mountain yesterday. I thought it's going to be over until this morning, but no.
You walk like an old lady.
Yeah, I have a problem today.
Yeah, that's bad.
I don't think it's going to be any difference if I use some liquid tape or something.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I should try it. We have
that friction the whole way down.
And
but you don't have any, no?
Nothing. I got sore feet because of all the walking down.
The knees and everything, yeah. This is the only thing that...
But today we think we have a flat. I think we got the road walk.
Yeah, the whole day.
To our next accommodations. We have booked a tent for today, so a tent, cabin.
And I'm so glad for that. The tent is completely soaked inside and out. We have sleeping uphill like this, so we have been gliding down in the tent, so the sleeping bags are wet down as well. So yeah, we have to get there and unpack everything.
Yeah. And tonight we're gonna make a nice dinner, hopefully. We have some lettuce, we have some onion, but I'm longing for the rice.
Yeah.
And maybe they have a small store there as well, so we can...
Yeah, it says. But now it's not season, so...
maybe not open. Because,
maybe it's still season.
Yeah, because when you did the booking, so they're gonna put the key out if we're lucky.
Yeah. And many people are here to ride the bikes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Show them ask what that is for berries. Please. I've seen them the whole day yesterday. What is these berries?
Those kind of berries. What is that? I don't know. Anna doesn't know. We will not eat them. But tell me, what is it? I forgot to film. I have already eaten up my breakfast, but...
I have a little left. Oatmeal with dry fruit and nuts and some...
raspberry jam.
Raspberry jam.
So, thanks you again for that, Catherine.
It's a lot of thank you, Catherine, this morning.
No wonder why.
Yeah. But it was a decent breakfast. I enjoyed it.
And now just coffee, and we
Fill the thermos with coffee as well, so we will drink the thermos coffee here because it was so the cups and the thermos was super cold, so we had to eat it here.
We see a lot of these small beaches. If it had been more summer, we could just lie there, sunbathing, taking a swim. But no, it's too cold and we don't have the time. So now we are on the road again. 6 hours to our accommodation. So I've been in touch with them. They said that they put the key on the table or something like that. I don't know, because the check-in is at 4, but we are going to be there much sooner than 4. So yeah, and we had to pack everything down in rain. It's not rain at the moment, but so the tent, I think the tent is triple the weight today because of all the wetness inside, because I didn't take off the condensation, and all the rain outside, and a car. So the tent, at least 2 kilos I think, instead of a half a kilo. But well, we have a cabin tonight and everything is to be unpacked there. The tent, the sleeping pads, the air mattresses, everything is wet. So grateful for this cabin. And then when we are there, I'm gonna see how we will do. Do we find any more cabins, or is it just tent until we get to Kungsleden? I have no idea, because from this point here to Kungsleden, King's Trail, is just nothing. It's just wilderness, I think. So it depends. Maybe Airbnb, some camping spot. I have no idea actually. So wild card this adventure at the moment. So it's gonna be fun actually, because King's Trail, there we know there is cabins, and even though they maybe not be open because it's so late in the summertime, you still get, you know there is a cabin there we can pitch the tent, and there is water and so on, so it's gonna be easier. But here we don't know. Absolutely no idea.
look at those champions.
The camper van standing over there. What a brilliant place. And here, look at this. I love these views. And now it's raining again a little bit, but it's not so much. But beautiful view. But those guys, they're the smart people, just standing there. I wonder how they got the car down there. Is there a little bit of a road maybe? But I think there is. Yeah.
And maybe they're fishing. What are they doing? Having the big time of their life. And that I like. But nice, it's not so cold. I unbuttoned my jacket, and the only cold thing is my backpack. It was freezing. So now I heated it up with my own body heat. Yeah, here. And they're fishing. There's a fishing sign over there as well.
But let's continue on this long road, the same as half day yesterday.
Coffee break. Cold coffee
In the rain.
in the rain.
Yeah, and the coffee was ice cold.
Not ice cold, more of a... I don't know the name of ljummet.
Nej.
Not hot, not cold. In between that. But we get a bit rest. We have walked for over 1 hour. And it's been quite uphill.
Yeah,
Yeah.
steep uphill. So couple of hills up, but still this dirt road. And it's gonna be like this all day long. But
And one car.
one car, yeah.
One car. So no traffic at all.
No.
So
And
it's-
we take a break now just because we had to drink up the coffee because we know it was too cold. We didn't heat it up. And now the rain is picking up, so
I think we're going to change clothes.
I think we need to go and change clothes.
Yeah. Poncho on.
Poncho on.
Digernäset. So another half an hour of this trail of this road, and it's ups and downs, but not so much rain. As you can see, no poncho on, so you're not allowed to see my new poncho yet. You have seen my new jacket, you have seen my skirt, but not the poncho. And the skirt, you can imagine that orange skirt to this outfit. But what can you do? The only skirt available, and it was on sale, and yeah, then you buy it, even though it is orange. But I think it'd be funny. Always this color that is left, always this color on sale. So yeah, I'm a saleswoman. So if you see a lady dressed like this, you know she's hunting on the sale. We forgot to film, but look at this, we are here and we have bought a whole box of delicious things.
Yeah, meatballs, we got pasta, we got bread. We
Yeah.
even bought ourselves a yogurt.
My heel is killing me. But as you can see, we have checked in. So now we just go into the cabin, and we have a little bit of rain and no rain, a little bit of rain and no rain the whole way.
And if you want to see the road, just replay everything because it was the same road all the time. I'm so sick and tired of this road. So it was nice to see. We come to a little community, the last thing before we got here. And the first little black hut is ours.
Yeah, so you have to come along the whole way to the... Look at this huge tent.
Fancy.
And the owner here was from Netherlands. Perfect Swedish. So they taught well.
Well, but they didn't understand all because she said, "Oh, you're from the south, huh?" And here is cabin number 1.
So she didn't understand what Dan was saying.
So I didn't talk. And here we clean by ourselves.
Yeah. So
Shoes off.
I will take off my shoes and see you inside.
No. Let's
No.
ramble on.
Ramble on. Okay, I will ramble on.
No, let's have them here. We can a live show of DanAnna taking off their shoes. You haven't seen that for a while.
I forgot that I didn't have my backpack on my waist. So when I lean forward like this, it was over my head almost.
Yeah. And I must say, when I lean forwards like this, I can feel my own odor, and it smells not so good. Even though I have the nicest little
Now you can give me them.
nicest little swim yesterday in the
but,
small stream.
Yeah, but I have the same t-shirt. So now, what do we have? We have a wardrobe inside. We have a vacuum cleaner.
What is this? A closed room.
In here is a toilet, heater, Ah, flushing toilet and a shower. Oh. And we have den. Bunk beds. So if you're longing to come along with us, just come here. Come here.
Yeah, we have 2 extra for you.
Yeah.
And I put up the heat, I think.
Yeah, please do. And a kitchen.
Toaster, that's perfect.
So we have 2
Sofa chairs.
sofa chairs, big kitchen table, microwave. Yeah,
Yeah,
a lot of
pans.
pots,
Yeah.
pots and pans.
Yeah, and a nice refrigerator.
Yeah. So
Water cooker, salt. And
We
check
have-
out this before 10.
before 10.
And between 22 and 7 you must be quiet.
Yeah. So a cozy little cabin, no TV.
Perfect.
No, perfect. No TV, but we have Wi-Fi. And we have the computer, so I have to... Oh, I'm tired.
Videos.
Upload videos. And we have a nice view.
And did we get the showers and the laundry, linen we have here?
Linen, yeah, in the bedroom, yeah.
Yeah.
So we have everything.
Yeah.
And we pay extra for linen and towels, and that was
115 crowns extra per person.
per person, so quite okay. So yeah, now I'm going to jump into the shower and get the heat up in here so we can dry our things, because everything is wet. Oh, the tent, I have to pull the tent outside first and then put it inside overnight. So
Is this the end of today's video maybe?
now you have to show them what we're eating.
Oh, we should do that ourselves, or make a cooking video or something.
Yeah, we can do that.
Yeah. Because now we are not going to do anything else, no more walking. We're going to make dinner, lunch and dinner. Because
Lunch and
we
dinner,
are super hungry.
late lunch and dinner.
Yeah, it's too late. It's
So yeah,
around 2 o'clock, I think.
yeah. So this is the end of this video. And if
It's
you're longing for
2:30.
longing for see what we are eating, stay tuned for DanAnna cooking videos.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Like cooking. It's going to be easy
cooking.
meatball.
Yeah, cooking on the road, cooking on the hike.
Thank you. Thumb up. Subscribe. Tell all your friends that we like to eat. And
I'm hungry.
nice to be inside. I'm
Yeah,
really happy about
yeah.
this. So bye bye guys. Let's put you in the computer and hook you up with Wi-Fi.